Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. The liver is one of the most complex organs of our body, with over 500 functions indispensable to a normal life. Although it possesses an extraordinary ability to clean and restore, sometimes the level of toxins leads to disruption of its functions and then the detoxification is needed. An inadequate diet, stress and lack of rest, all these lead to the accumulation of toxins in the liver or even more severely to diseases of the liver. That's why it's good to come to the liver's help with a cleaning cure. One of the most common methods of detoxification is natural liver detox drinks, that contain healthy foods to help with this. A good liver cleansing drink contains only 2 ingredients, namely watermelon and lemon, can aid you to detox your liver. A melon slice of about 300 grams has only 85 calories, 0.4 grams of fat, 1.1 grams of fiber, 1.7 grams of protein and 17 grams of sugar. It also contains 31% vitamin A, 37% vitamin C, 5% vitamin B6, 2% calcium and 3% iron. The color of the watermelon is provided by the substance called lycopene, the red pigment, with a tremendous therapeutic value. Citrulline, which maintains an optimal level of arginine, represent another beneficial nutrient of the watermelon it contains. Thanks to it, the arteries stay healthy and elastic, and can carry the blood properly. Valuable content of water and active substances of watermelon help to cleanse the body toxins. Due to these cleaning properties and its alkaline effect, watermelon juice is excellent for detoxifying and protecting the liver, and more. It is also well known that lemon helps to detoxify the liver by stimulating its function. In addition, lemon juice helps improve digestion and bile production. To prepare this detox drink you need 300 grams of watermelon, do not remove the white rind, and a spoonful of lemon juice. Put the melon in the blender with the lemon juice. Mix for 1-2 minutes. Pour the liquid into a glass and consume it immediately after preparation. The watermelon and lemon detox drink, it oxidizes quickly and loses more than half of its therapeutic properties in less than 15 minutes. Optionally, you can add mint leaves, favorite sweetener, and ice cubes. Drink 2 glasses a day with 30 minutes before a meal, for at least 20 days. Consumed during this period, the watermelon and lemon drink helps to flush toxins and clean the liver. Do not follow this liver cleansing cure if you suffer from difficult digestion, fermentation colitis, hyperacid gastritis, acute or chronic diarrhea. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow, and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.